Hey guys, if you're looking for a free and open source diagramming application, I think Draw.io is a great choice. Draw.io can be used on the desktop with a desktop application, but you can also use it with integrations to the Atlassian, Confluence, and Notion, for example. And you have also Git and Dropbox integration and Google Workspace and Google Drive integrations, as well as SharePoint and OneDrive integrations. The application supports a wide range of diagrams, and you can, for example, do UML language diagrams, also Archimate language supported. For developers, a nice addition might be Draw.io for VS Code. So if you're using VS Code, that might be a nice option. They also advertise that diagrams files created in 2005 will still load in the app today. I think that's great. So Draw.io has been existing for a long time and it still works. And comparing to other options, I think it really is one of the best open source free options out there. The license, they say it's Apache 2.0. That's a very good license option and allows also for commercial use. This is not legal advice, so please do your own due diligence on it. But anyhow, yeah, they rebranded the web page to diagrams.net. So Draw.io, it also exists, but if you want to get the download installer file, let's go to that in just a moment. I'll just show you about the history. There's a company behind it which was founded in 2000, and there's a quite rich history. I'll leave all the links in the description if you want to read through it. But about the license, they, I guess, had some challenges with Atlassian, and they changed the licensing to not allow certain types of integrations in the Confluence. But it seems that as of December 24, they reverted back to the Apache 2.0 license again. So yeah, quite interesting history there. But going back to the Draw.io web page, going to the download link, it goes to the GitHub page here. And here you have the Windows installer. There's also a Mac and Linux version available. So let's download the Windows installer and have that installed. So it's 107 megabytes, quite to download. So once the download is complete, just double click on the installer to start it. There'll be a pop-up, yes, on the pop-up, and then you can choose where to install it. Files 364 megabytes. I'm just doing the desktop installation now, but if you want to share your diagrams with the team, then actually integration with Confluence, if you're using that, is a very good option. But if it's if you use SharePoint, maybe integration with that, or if you're into Google, maybe integration with that. Or you could just use the Draw.io web version as well. But let's do this Windows installation because this is a good way to open any file, which is Draw.io. Once you click on finish, the installer closes and you can find Draw.io from the start menu of Windows and launch it. And here you can select create new diagram, and you have a lot of diagrams to choose from. You can just click create and create a blank diagram, but you also have UML diagrams you can use to create, or you can use as a template something which you have previously created in Draw.io, and do wireframes, UML as I mentioned. I think in the web version I did see Archimate as well. I don't know why it's not visible here. but you could use from template URL, and I'm sure you could find Archimate examples as well. For example, if you click on Flowchart and select this template, we will get Flowchart, the different lanes like this. If you want swim lanes, also doable in the other direction. So here under basic you have swim lane diagram, and you can create, and you get in this direction like this, and then you can expand and name it and come back to it. If you want to use the web version, then it will be app.diagrams.net, and here you can also press on device, but you can do GitLab and GitHub integration of Drive OneDrive. Here you can create a diagram. I think in here I did Steam as well. Okay, it seems if you search for Archimate, you will find some Archimate diagrams in here. So yeah, it's a real versatile tool. Here you can see more of Archimate generic spreadsheet application technology, and so press on more shapes and search for other stuff as well. So it's a very versatile tool. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.